Now, coming from an older car, one of the things that you'll realise when you get a Tesla or even any new car, because most of them come this way now, is that we get a nice big boot, but underneath the boot, where we normally have a spare tyre, we don't have one. So we have a few options if we do get a flat tyre in a Tesla. Number one, you get free roadside assist. So if you get flat and you're stuck on the side of the road, you can put it in on the app. Roadside assist will come to you, and they could be anywhere between half an hour and 2 hours. That's the sort of thing I've been reading on Facebook. Obviously on Facebook you get a mixture of people's different experiences, some good, some positive, some negative. But from what I've read, basically Tesla will come to you, or the roadside assist will come to you, and they'll have a spare tyre. They'll change that over, and that's a loaner tyre. Then you have a choice. Your punctured tyre can then either be taken back to Tesla, they'll fix it and then you can go pick it up, or they'll replace it if it needs replacing, or you can take that tyre with you and then just go to any tyre place as you would do normally for a puncture repair, with the latter normally being a little bit cheaper than going direct to Tesla. Now, another option is to buy a noddy wheel, or one of those small temporary wheels that you put on. You can get those for around $500. Now, you will need a jack, and you need a little plugs that go underneath the Tesla. So as they don't have the regular places that you would put a jack, you need these little round things that stick underneath. Or you could buy a complete new tyre and just have it in the back of your car. Now, because I had some credit with Tesla with a referral that I got, I went ahead and ordered one of these. This is the Tesla pump and repair kit. I haven't opened it yet, so let's have a look. So a nice bag with carry handle. This was $125, but like I say, it didn't cost me anything. And we have, I'm assuming it will come out as well. And then we have this 12-volt connector on the bottom with a long cable. Now we have a couple of options for connections. So we have that connector on the bottom, we have a connector on the top. I'm assuming the top one is the one that sends the gel into the wheel. So you've got the option between inflating only, or they got the inflation plus the gel. But I'm going to read up on the instructions. I'm assuming, yep. So there's instructions in there. Hopefully I'll never need to use it, but for $125 or free because I had that referral credit, I think it's a pretty cool option. Let me know what you do if you have a Tesla. Do you have a spare tire? Do you have one of those small noddy tires, or do you have an inflator like this? Let me quickly show you where the 12-volt outlet is, because I initially couldn't find that. So under this armrest in the center console, just lift that up, and then you'll find the 12-volt connector, or the outlet, here. And I'll speak to you guys in the next one.